This hotel, the management is still good to have you here as our guest. And we want to take this opportunity to congratulate you and to show you our highest appreciation. As a little token, we have a nice little cake for you. This way you should see all the meetings. And we should come for you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله من الشيطان الرجيم.
بعضك الساعة
على كم كلام
ما شاء الله صعب
هذا كان سؤال هوش اللي نفسه